Okay, we're closing in actually not bad. Pretty much around the highs of the day. A 100-point recovery, or rather a 100-point green close is what you've seen, and a remarkable recovery if we bring up the intraday graph of the Nifty from the session lows is what we've seen. Led, of course, by big boys like Reliance, which are almost going home, nudging that 2800 print once again. 71 points higher for Reliance, of course, has a big impact and weightage on the index. There's also been Dr. Reddy's, there's been SBI Life, there's been BPCL, Bajaj Auto, Eicher Motors, Bharti. Technology as a pack, in fact, has been quite the winner today. You've got everything from a Tatacom to an Indus Tower to a Bharti to an Idea, which have all been winners in today's trading session. Not just that, actually, you've got some of the other sectors as well in spaces which have led up to the recovery in the markets. Banks, of course, had a huge role to play. So you had an ICICI Bank which finally drifted back into the green. Axis managed a decent, comfortable close. HDFC Bank picked up about almost 1%. Kotak Bank closed 1% higher. Having said that, the market did have its fair share of losers too. So Tata Steel, Tata Motors, Hindalco, SBI couldn't quite recover, nor did Bajaj Finance, and M&M closed in flat. Avan, what about the broader markets?
Well, up 0.5% for the mid caps. The small caps absolutely lackluster, didn't do much at all, ending to 0.2% higher. You've got individual movers as well in the limelight. Those oil-related stocks, ONGC, Oil India, etc. Brent crude, remember, hovering above the $120 per barrel mark, so that's kept those stocks abuzz. Meantime, IEX, the CERC order came on the long duration contract, something like Vedanta. They have released the pledge on 9% stake in Hindustan Zinc. You had Radico, USL, UBL, Punjab excise policy cutting liquor prices by 35 to 60%, so that's a positive. The likes of Havells, Whirlpool in focus as the government is considering restricting imports of refrigerators to promote local manufacturing, according to reports. AU Small Finance goes ex-bonus. Something like Strides was under pressure in today's trading session. Indian Hotels as well lost out steam. That pretty much wraps up today's trading day. 16,481 is where we shut shop.